Welcome back to the adventure, y'all. So as you know, if you looked at the last video, we were just at Camping World. We viewed all these campers, everything from fifth wheels to travel trailers, the ones with the porches, outdoor kitchens, TVs outside, speakers outside, everything that you could want and need inside of this compact trailer RV. It just amazed us. We got so excited, we decided to rent one the next day. Like we just had to. We know that there's nothing that the outdoors that we can't handle outdoors, so we already knew we were up for the challenge. We just wanted to get to it really fast. So the fastest way that we can get to it was to rent one. So I ended up going to a website. Well, it was actually an app, but I believe you can rent it from the website as well. It is outdoorsy.com, and it is app. I'll basically put it in the description below. But I went to Outdoorsy and I found something that all of us can fit comfortably in, that was up to date, and that was ready to go, hit the road. So that's basically what I did. So the transaction for this particular RV that we rented went pretty fast. We were picking it up the next day. Everything was done through the app. We met the owner at like I guess an RV lot that they parked RVs, trucks, and things like that. Here's the lot here where we met him at. We drove our truck through. They let us in. That's the owner of the RV we're getting ready to rent from. And I didn't get any more footage, y'all. Sorry about that. But that's the RV. We loaded it up. Basically brought things from the house because we didn't want people to know that we were going to be gone, so we basically loaded up down the street. That's us putting everything in, and we are getting ready to rock and roll. So we rented a 2021 Forest Vibe for 3 nights. The total came up to about $1,400, and that was with the added security deposit. So yeah, it's pretty expensive, but it was worth it. That just about sums up this video. We're going to review this RV and let you know how everything went. But for now, stay tuned because we're getting ready to post our trip for those 3 days and nights. So stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss anything. See y'all.